Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You guys are pretty familiar with this 97 4Runner. I did a lot of work on it and today it came for this job. Do you see what is this? Yes, it's a front lower suspension arms. These are factory Toyota units and I will be replacing them right now. I don't have a time, there's no way for me to film it step by step, but I will try to show some pointers and some areas which everybody should be aware of. So let's go see together what was removed here, right? So it's the bottom of the shock. That bolt is gone. That lower bowl joint, that's all disconnected, right? On the other side, I disconnected steering, and here is that sway bar link also being disconnected. Now, before you will remove these adjusting cams, you better make marks on it, right? Wherever you choose, but mark it everywhere, all four positions. Also here, also this one, everything needs to be marked because you don't want to mess up the alignment. The reason here, why it is here, that the owner wants to do alignment because he did the lift, right? Rear and front, you saw it in different videos, so I could, put it whatever there because it's going tomorrow morning to alignment, and they said these bushings were actually too loose for them. They refused to do the alignment. They said, no, you have to first replace the lower arms, then we will do it for you. So in my case it's not big deal, but I will still make the marks on it either with paint or scratch marks and make sure even for that one evening that I'm putting it correctly together. And before you will use any tools on those cams, make absolutely clear for yourself what is the bolt and what is the cam, right? If you start wrenching on the other side, you will actually destroy it. So pay attention before applying maybe any power tools. Here you can see in detail that adjusting cam, right? This is the front one, and it was easy. That bolt had a place to go forward, right here, you see it, hopefully. There was a space right here for the bolt to come out. Well, guess what is happening on the other side? Do you see any space for a long bolt to go out? No, and that's a little problem with this job, and that will cost me some time. You can see that long cam bolt has nowhere to go, and that's an engineering problem. If they put it on the other side, there was all kinds of space to take it out, but the way they put it, it's against the entire steering rack. So if you look in the manual, the factory manual, they say remove entire steering. The same situation on the other side. Cam bolt goes directly into this steering rack, so this has to go. Little detail I want to show you. Here are those spring bumpers, right? One, and here is the other one. This needs to be transferred from the old part to the new one. You better remove them right now when this is still being held in the frame of the car. And you will need some big tool for those, right, to grab them. Normal crescent wrench, even the larger one, it's not big enough. It looks like by some miracle I was allowed to remove it, right? So on the left are two new ones. Obviously you will match. This is the driver's side which I was showing you, so you pick up one of them which is matching, the other one is opposite design. here are those bumps, right? The rubber bumps for the springs. You see the thread? Make sure you put them correctly, because one of them is smaller and one of them is bigger, so don't switch it around. So when I will screw them on, right, basically you see it, right, it goes back. Then I will put them fully on. I will just go the opposite direction and start installing this lower arm, and then I will move on the other side to deal with this one. But you don't have to remember for those spring bumps, right, to remember which one was which one, because it says clearly here front and the rear. And I'm sorry, but I really don't have time to deal with filming this. This needs to be done today ASAP. So I hope these few hints, right, and details gives you idea what is this job about. Please make sure you give it a thumb up if you liked it, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.